Hello, this is Victor with my Cycle Club. Let me show you how to publish stories in a simple slideshow format. Any club member can publish a story, but the functionality has to be enabled first. By default it is turned off. So I'll log on as administrator. Next I'll click on the Setup and Administration button at the top right corner, or Administration menu item. Scroll down until you see Club Setup, click on it, and go to the Features tab. Here enable Shared Stories and click Save. Now let's go to the main page and check that stories are available in the menu. And here they are. One is under General. This is where published stories appear, with most recent ones on the top. The other one is under Club, and that's where you edit stories. So I'll start putting a story together by clicking this link, and I'll click on New Story. Let's give this story a title. I'll call it Colorado Trip. Now the next field is Menu Item. It determines if and where you want the story to appear in the menu. It's editable only by Club's content creators and administrators. We don't want regular users to mess with Club's menu structure after all, but we still want them to publish stories. And by the way, there is also a user group for those abusing story publishing privilege. I'm going to right click on Setup and Administration and bring up Administration Dashboard and go to User Groups. So here there is a group called Users Banned from Publishing Stories. If you add this group to some user and save, which I'm not gonna do, that user will no longer see a My Shared Stories link, and if they go to the same link directly, they will be just directed to the dashboard. So that's a way to prevent somebody from publishing stories you don't want to see on the website. Let me close this out and go back to editing the story. So the next field is Summary. That's a short overall description. I'm gonna put this: a tour of San Juan's Front Range and a bit of New Mexico. So there it is. I can put a lot more, but not for the purpose of this demo. Next we can start adding pictures. Click on Choose button and pick a picture to upload. Once picture is uploaded, it appears here. Now the storyboard requires images to be in widescreen format, so there is a cropper to get them to 16:9 ratio. I can choose what I want to see here. I can also rotate image left and right. Now let's just stick to default. Once I'm done cropping, I'll click on Add, and the image is going to jump to the left. Here now it's added to the storyboard. The next thing to do is to update description. I'm gonna put how about this: trip included, mix of paved and dirt roads. There it is. I'll click on Update Text, and we're done with the page. Let's do one more. I'll click Choose again and pick another image. The same way I'll crop the image, click on Add button, and add more description. And there it is. And update. You can move between pages by clicking Previous and Next buttons. You can also rearrange pages by clicking Move Up and Move Down. So for example, I want this picture to be first. I'll just click on Move Up, and here it is. We have different order here in the thumbnails. And finally, you can delete pages. I'm gonna add one more image first. This is it. This is why we write. I'll add it to the storyboard. And it doesn't matter what we say in the text. I'll move around a bit. And now I can delete the page. You get the confirmation, you click Yes, and the page is gone. Okay, so let's just save and preview the story. To see how it's gonna look, there's a single button for that. I'll click it, and there it is. This looks good. I can click on Close Preview or just close the tab. One final step is publishing the story. So we got a Publish button here. I'll click it, confirm. And that's it, it's out for everyone to see. Let's go to Shared Stories here and check. And here is the story. You can click on a particular thumbnail, it will take you to that page in the story. And since I created a story, I have Edit Story link, which will take me straight to the story page. Now, since I'm already logged on as admin, let me also create a menu item for the story. It's not something that regular users can do, but say if somebody posted a great set of pictures and you want to promote it, this is how you can. So I'm gonna put Stories Colorado in here and click Save. And now go to Dashboard, or really anywhere else. And here's our updated menu. We got Stories Colorado, and if you click on it, you are taken straight to the story page. So now you know how to publish stories and keep club members engaged. This is Victor with My Cycle Club, signing out.